Hey squeakers, what's up? Logan here. Today we're trying some weird but cool snacks. Well, they aren't all that weird. Well, okay, let's get started. But don't click away unless you want to see me try the mystery snack. And you're probably like, oh, it's probably just Cheetos or something. Or, I don't know. Oh, it's really cool. It's really cool. I've never tried it before, and a lot of people haven't. So, I'm really excited to try it. Alright, first thing we have is cereal. Rice Krispies. Not just any Rice Krispies, they're 4th of July. I just have a couple blue and red ones in there. Alright, let's try them. And they just taste like regular Rice Krispies. They're okay. Also, I'm going to be rating all of these, so I think like a 3. I never really liked them that much. No offense, I just don't really like Rice Krispies that much. But now we have our second and last cereal. 4th of July Captain Crunch. Again, it just tastes like the regular cereal, but I love Captain Crunch. 10 out of 10. Delicious. One of the best cereals I've ever tasted. Alright, next we have a drink to wash it down. It's not milk. It's cookies and cream flavored soda. Whoa, that's so weird. It tastes like fizzy, kind of cream soda. No, it's more creamy than cream soda though. No, yeah, that actually tastes like cookies and cream, but it's fizzy. That's so cool. That's good. I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. Pretty unusual and whoopsie, really good. Really good. Wow, that's cool. 9 on 10. Okay, the next thing we're gonna try is peanut butter swirl flavored bubbles. So they're edible bubbles. There's like no soap at all. Wow, they're so cool. I gotta drop the solution. It tastes like peanut butter pretty much. It's weird how they did that. That's so cool. And with the cookies and cream, I don't know how they got that flavor. Artificial flavoring is crazy. But wow. No, I'm gonna say it's like a 7 on 10. That's pretty good. Okay. Now we have one more thing before the mystery snack. Okay. Now we're gonna be eating a Lucky Block from Super Mario. No, I'm kidding. We're not actually eating the Lucky Block. We're eating what's inside of the Lucky Block. Shoo fly. This is like a fruit fly. It's not a good time. What's inside is little like off-brand Smarties, kind of like in elementary school you'll have like little Valentine's Day parties, and then you'll give people like, I'm saying like too much. Anyways, that didn't happen. So they'll be in like little heart containers sometimes, and they'll be like, they're kind of like off-brand Smarties, pretty much. They're a little harder than Smarties. That's what these are like. But they're good. Wow. Before this video, I was so excited to try this stuff. And I know I need to rate it. I'm going to rate it an 8 on 10. It's better than the bubbles. Really good. Okay, guys, I don't know if you're ready for this. But what I'm going to try is, if you want to guess and put it in the comments, put yours and go like, la la la. We're about to try astronaut ice cream. Well, what it actually is it's a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. It's really cool. It's what normally like NASA or something, if they'll take freeze-dried food, because if they had like an actual cookie or something, it would crumble and then the crumbs would like get in their eyes. It's in the little package. That's adorable. Alright, wow. This is so cute. Okay, we're about to try it. And the flavor I got was Neapolitan. I actually got all this stuff from Price Chopper. Oh! That broke off easily. Well, there we go. Okay, which end should we try first? Well, we can't really try the vanilla. I think I'm gonna try strawberry. This is so exciting. That's so weird. The middle kind of tastes like cotton candy. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. The bottom tastes so good. Yeah, it tastes like cotton candy. And the bottom tastes like a chocolate graham cracker, basically. It's really good. Okay, now I'm gonna try the chocolate that broke off. Pretty good. The chocolate, oh, how do I describe this? I don't know, but that's really good. My apologies for talking with my mouth full. I just get so excited. Okay. Guess we can just break that off. We're gonna try the vanilla now. Okay, let's lick it first. Wow. I don't even know how to describe that. It's so good. I don't really get how this helps with the crumb thing, because I don't know if you can tell, but there's a bunch of crumbs everywhere. Speaking of freeze-dried foods, comment down below, have you guys ever tried a pink drink from Starbucks? I just got my first one on the 4th of July. It has freeze-dried strawberries in it. It's really good. It's so good. Wow. Let's try the bottom half of the chocolate. Wow. It's so good. Why have I never tried this before? It's so good. Wow. That's so good. Fizzy cookies and cream. This is so good. So, the chocolate ice cream, I don't know. How do I describe it? Kind of tastes like it's very chocolatey. Oh. It kind of has a cotton candy element to it. It's kind of like chocolate cotton candy, basically. The strawberry tastes like full-on cotton candy. Yeah, that tastes like cotton candy. Just like the pink or the blue. And the vanilla. Oh, the vanilla. It tastes like... Goodness, these crumbs are shooting everywhere. It tastes so like creamy. And it does taste a lot like vanilla. Yeah, they all taste like the vanilla tastes like vanilla cotton candy, basically. That's not even a thing, but it is now. Like I said, the chocolate, it tastes like, well, the chocolate cookie tastes like a chocolate graham cracker. Graham cracker? What? No, graham cracker. I'm so excited I can't even talk. And the chocolate tastes like chocolate cotton candy. And then, you know, like the pink or the blue flavor of cotton candy, like regular, that's what the strawberry tastes like. Let me make sure there's no snacks I forgot. I think that's all. Okay, good. Okay, yep, we're good. Alright, squeakers. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Sorry for not posting. And for a while, I was just really busy. Alright, bye. Oh, you can have a bite. Bye, squeakers.